Dear students, under the topic logarithmic differentiation, here we have another problem which says that differentiate y is equal to x raised to the power 5 plus sin x. Now in order to differentiate this, we have to take logarithm on both the sides. So logarithm of y will be equal to logarithm of x raised to the power 5 plus sin x. Now here we will be using the logarithmic rule from, that is, log a raised to the power b can be written as b logarithm of a. We have seen about this rule in our previous problems. So you may refer it and understand it more better. So using this rule of logarithm, we can rewrite this as logarithm of y is equal to, now here log x to the power 5 plus sin x. In the power we have 5 plus sin x, so this is like b, so it comes in the front. So after applying logarithm on this, okay, so x represents a and 5 plus sin x represents b, so it will become b log a. So now what is b? 5 plus sin x, so it will become 5 plus sin x multiplied with logarithm of x. Now we have to differentiate on both the sides with respect to x. So differentiating on both the sides with respect to x, what we get is the differentiation of logarithm of y is 1 by y. Now further again y has to be differentiated with respect to x by using the chain rule method. So first we differentiated log y, for which we got 1 by y, and now we have to differentiate y. So dy by dx is equal to, on the right we have to use uv method because here we have 5 plus sin x and here we have log x. So we have to use uv method. We know that differentiation of uv, the product of two functions with respect to x, is equal to uv dash plus vu dash. That is, we should have u as it is and differentiate v first, plus then we should have v as it is and differentiate u. So let us use this and we shall differentiate the right hand side. Now here 5 plus sin x is like u and log x is like v. So when we differentiate this, first we should have u as it is. So what is u? 5 plus sin x multiplied with v dash. So we have to differentiate v. The differentiation of log x is 1 by x plus, okay, so this plus v we should have as it is. So log x we will have as it is and differentiate u. So u dash, what is u? 5 plus sin x. So when we differentiate this, 5 is a constant, so it will become 0, and differentiation of sin x is cos x, and so we will be having cos x left out over here. Now taking this y to the right, we will get dy by dx to be equal to y multiplied with, now here we have 5 plus sin x and this x we can write like this, okay, common to 5 plus sin x, so divided by x, plus let me write this cos in the front in order to make it simple. So cos x log x. Now we have to substitute the value of y over here. So what is y given in the question? Y is given as x to the power 5 plus sin x. So let us substitute that. So we get dy by dx to be equal to x to the power 5 plus sin x multiplied with 5 plus sin x divided by x plus cos x log x. Now we shall simplify the right hand side by taking this x as LCM in the terms which is inside the bracket. So this becomes x to the power 5 plus sin x multiplied with, so now we have the LCM of x. So this x gets multiplied to these two terms, and so we get 5 plus sin x plus, so when x gets multiplied it becomes x cos x log x. Now This x in the denominator, it can be taken to the numerator and it can be written as x to the power 5 plus sin x. And we have x here also. So when this x is taken to the numerator, we will be having it as x to the power minus 1. And so that minus 1 we can write here. Because here also we have x. We can write 5 plus sin x minus 1 multiplied with 5 plus sin x plus x cos x log x. Now here in the power we have 5 plus sin x minus 1, and so 5 minus 1 is 4, and so we get this as x to the power 4 plus sin x multiplied with 5 plus sin x plus x cos x log x. So this is the solution that we arrive at for the given question. Hope you have understood this problem. So now we shall solve the next problem, which is problem 16, that is differentiate y is equal to 7 raised to the power x squared plus 2x. So we have to apply the method of logarithms. So taking logarithm on both the sides, we get log y to be equal to logarithm of 7 raised to the power x squared plus 2x. Now applying the logarithmic rule over here, we get from this log y to be equal to this x squared plus 2x, which is in the power of 7, comes in multiplication with log 7. So it becomes x squared plus 2x multiplied with logarithm of 7. Now we shall differentiate on both the sides with respect to x. And so the differentiation of log y is 1 by y. And again multiplying with the differentiation of y, we get dy by dx to be equal to. Now log 7 is a constant. So we need not use any UV rule or anything. So we can just differentiate x squared plus 2x. So first if you differentiate x squared, we get 2x plus the differentiation for 2x is 2. So 2, and then this has to be multiplied with log 7. So now from this we get dy by dx to be equal to, taking this y to the right, it becomes a product. So y multiplied with 2x plus 2 log 7. Now we can substitute the value of y, which is 7 to the power x square plus 2x over here, and we can also take a 2 in common from this term, and we can in general write the solution as dy by dx to be equal to, now in this term I am taking 2 common, so it becomes 2 multiplied with x plus 1, and we are substituting the value of y. So y is 7 raised to the power x squared plus 2x and multiplied with the constant, which is log 7. So logarithm of 7. And when we have a number, we can write, because we know that it is to the base e. So we have dy by dx as this, which is the differentiation of y equal to 7 to the power x squared plus 2x. Hope you have understood this problem. We shall solve one more problem of the same kind. So now here we have another problem, which is differentiate y is equal to 10 to the power 3x minus 1. So we shall differentiate this by using the logarithmic differentiation method. So taking logarithm on both the sides, we get log y to be equal to logarithm of 10 to the power 3x minus 1. Applying the logarithmic rule here, log a to the power b can be written as b log a. So this can be rewritten as log y is equal to 3x minus 1 log 10. And we know that it is to the base e. So then, now we will differentiate on both the sides with respect to x. So the differentiation of log y will be 1 by y dy by dx, which is equal to, now here we know that log 10 is a constant. So it is enough if we differentiate 3x minus 1. So what is the differentiation of 3x? The differentiation of x is 1, and so 3 into 1 is 3. And we know that differentiation of a constant negative 1 is 0, multiplied with log 10 to the base e. Now from this we obtain dy by dx to be equal to, taking this y to the right, we get 3y logarithm of 10 to the base e. Now we shall substitute y, which is given in the question. Y is equal to 10 to the power 3x minus 1. So when we substitute that, we get 3 multiplied with 10 to the power 3x minus 1 multiplied with log 10 to the base e. So therefore dy by dx is equal to this, which is the required answer. So hope you have understood these kinds of problem where we have the variables in the power. In that case, we have to take logarithm on both the sides, and then we have to differentiate them with respect to x. And we have to apply the required rules. If we require UV method rule, we have to apply that, and then we have to get the answer. Hope you have understood all the three problems. Thank you.